the rescued pieces are sorted at the recovery center. Some have historic value. They're early works by a country blacksmith named Georges Liautaud, who pioneered this kind of sculpture. The smith started out by making crosses to adorn the graves of the cemetery in his village. He went on to fashion more elaborate works, often representing the strange spirits of voodoo. These were greeted enthusiastically by collectors, and a new Haitian art form was born. At that same blacksmith's village today, the art form has grown into a thriving industry. Teams of metal sculptors produce a constant stream of pieces at cooperative workshops like this one.
It's a quintessentially Haitian art form. It yields a work that looks something like a cut paper design. It's typically a flat work of art.
The works are flat for one very simple reason. They're recycled from discarded oil drums. In a country as poor as Haiti, the drums provide a cheap source of raw material.
They're just completely repurposed in these remarkably imaginative ways. It does speak to the resourcefulness of Haitians and also to the fact that they just see art in even the most mundane, non-artistic objects. They create just the most remarkable works of art out of them.
Tout ça que yon moun ta capable jeter, que nous transformer en objet d'art.
Serge Jalimo is Haiti's most celebrated contemporary cut metal sculptor. He began learning the craft at the age of 12 as an apprentice.
Là que m'ai commencé, t'ai gen aux environs 10 personnes qui te travaillent sur métal découpé. Mais maintenant, il y a plus que 2000 personnes qui fabriquent pièces en métal.
Jalimo's designs have won acclaim at exhibitions and galleries worldwide. His work is an elaborate, often magical reflection of Haitian country life. The Bible stories are a constant theme, like this depiction of Adam and Eve being tempted by the serpent. But the religion most often represented is voodoo, with its pantheon of fantastic spirits, deemed by most Haitians to hold the real power over their lives and fortunes. Some preside over a bountiful ocean. Others inhabit trees filled with birds. Ezuli, the goddess of love, beauty, and fortune, is often courted for favors with a gift of an earthly trinket. Jalimo hopes his work will help non-Haitians to understand voodoo better and resist stereotyping it as a kind of sorcery.
Sorcellerie, c'est un bagay négatif. Mais vaudou, que li reflète quelque chose de positif dans la culture haïtienne. Et c'est ce que je pense artistes haïtiens, c'est bon côté vaudou que yo utilisé.